going on, everybody? See a few people getting in on the room now. We looks like we have one team available. We had somebody not pay for the team, so we're going to make this team available to anybody who wants to add to their list. $5, free shipping. We have the Brewers available. If anyone is interested in the Brewers, $5, and we'll post our PayPal and Venmo information. Let us know if you are interested in adding the Brewers. Alright, Altered Carbon, thank you, appreciate that. Let me know what other teams you have tonight, that way I can just make sure I have the correct name, and then just let me know where you're sending it, whether it be PayPal or Venmo, and we'll keep an eye out for payment. All right, yeah, just let us know which teams you have. That way I can just make sure that I have you down for the right name. We'll go ahead and get started. Let us know where that payment's going to, whether it be PayPal or Venmo, and we'll put you down for the Brewers. And everybody else is paid up, so we'll go ahead and get started. We got 5 Fire Blasters tonight, 10 Chrome Cellos. We will start with the fire, and we will end with the Cellos. So let's go ahead and get started. As soon as I get my knife. Hey, what's going on? Marlins and Angels, a couple good teams to have. You had the Marlins in our last break, correct? And we got the Blue Jays in the house. Those Marlins cards are on their way. Hopefully you see them in the next day or two. Hopefully we can find you some new ones tonight. Some nice ones. Empty box. Alright, for those who haven't seen the Fire Blasters, we're going to have 7 packs, 6 cards per pack, and each one is going to also have a gold minted some gold minted base parallel cards, 4 cards in this bonus pack here that we get. Here we go, good luck everybody. Alright, we got Yankees, Rays, Indians, and Royals in the house. Yeah, it looks like we got quite a few people in here. Nice to see a full house tonight. Alright, there we go. Yankees, we'll start off with Luis Severino. We got Bellinger for the Dodgers. We got our first insert. It's a gold Jacob deGrom, career best ERA 1.7. It's going to the Mets. Verdugo for the Red Sox. Clayton Kershaw for the Dodgers, and Ketel Marte for the Diamondbacks. Got Wheeler for the Phillies, Sandy Alcantara for the Marlins, Got our first red. That's going to be Matt Chapman for the A's. Evan Longoria for the Giants. Patrick Corbin for the Nats. And Michael Conforto for the Mets. Alright, sent it via Venmo. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. Trey Mancini, Orioles. Noah Syndergaard for the Mets. We got a Josh Hader, Smoke and Mirrors for the Brewers. Mullins for the Orioles. Anthony Rendon for the Angels. And Jose Barrios for the Twins. Jose Altuve, Astros. Eddie Rosario for the Twins. There's our first Kyle Lewis of the night for the Mariners. And it looks like we got, I thought we had some color behind that, but no. Kyle Lewis, nice one for the Mariners. We got Kikuchi for the Mariners. And there's a nice Yordan Alvarez for the Astros. And Polanco for the Pirates. Good pack there, getting a couple of the big name rookies. Hopefully we find all the big name rookies tonight. Hopefully we find them in fire and chrome. Last break was mostly fire. Didn't find as many of them in chrome, so hopefully we have some better luck tonight. We got Jorge Soler for the Royals. There's Aquino for the Reds. There's Raisel Iglesias Power and Pride insert for the Reds. Anthony Rizzo for the Cubs. Rafael Devers for the Red Sox, and Albert Pujols for the Angels. Jacob deGrom for the Mets. Castillo for the Reds. There's a red Willie Castro for the Tigers. And actually, hold on one second, guys. So I just realized I needed to cancel the order for the Brewers. I want to make sure that payment doesn't come through since your payment already did. Alright, sorry about that. Max Kepler for the Twins. Seth Brown, rookie for the A's. And Brendan Rodgers for the Rockies. There's Luis Robert. Another big name rookie. Got one for the White Sox. Got Tucker for the Pirates. We got Jason Hayward, throw to home insert for the Cubs. And there's another big name rookie, Trent Grisham, Padres. Joey Votto for the Reds. And Austin Nola for the Mariners. Alright, gold cards. See what we can find here. Ronald Guzman for the Rangers. Sam Hilliard, rookie for the Rockies. Mike Clevenger for the Indians. And Cole Calhoun for the Diamondbacks. So as far as rookies go, that was a pretty good box. I know you're not guaranteed them, but usually you find at least one numbered card in each of these blasters. Unfortunately, we did not find a numbered card in this one, but we did get a lot of those big name rookies. Still looking for Bo Bichette. Still looking for Gavin Lux. Hopefully we find a numbered parallel in here and in the rest of the boxes. Kane for the Brewers. Severino for the Yankees. Blake Snell, Smoke and Mirrors for the Rays. Jose Abreu for the White Sox. Ramon Laureano for the A's. And Tim Anderson for the White Sox. Christian Yelich for the Brewers. Giancarlo Stanton for the Yankees. We got Cody Bellinger, throw to home insert for the Dodgers. Here's a Fernando Tatis Jr. for the Padres. Tim Lincecum for the Giants, and Justin Dunn, rookie for the Mariners. Jake Lamb, Diamondbacks. Austin Hedges for the Padres. There's a Jose Abreu red for the White Sox. Kyle Freeland for the Rockies. Barry Zito for the A's. And John Means for the Orioles. Walker Buehler for the Dodgers. Dobnak for the Twins. We got a Power and Pride Juan Soto for the Nationals. Nice card for the Nationals. Ortiz for the Red Sox. Ken Griffey Jr. for the Mariners. And Sammy Sosa for the Cubs. Manny Machado, Padres. Matt Thaiss for the Angels. Jackie Bradley Jr. for the Red Sox. Jeff Bagwell for the Astros. Carlos Correa, Astros. And Jordan Yamamoto for the Marlins. Class clown, yeah. I know most of them. Some of them trip me up every now and then. They only show the last name on the front of the card, so I have to look at the back sometimes, or I'll just say the last name. But yeah, you open enough of this stuff and you start to learn the names. Although I'm a big baseball fan, so I know pretty much all of them. You know, Danny Holtzen, he's not a big name, but I know him just because he went to UVA. We're out here in Charlottesville, so we know UVA baseball. So Danny Holtzen for the Cubs. And then we got Salvador Perez for the Royals. We got our first fired up insert. That's Bryce Harper for the Phillies. Nice one for the Phillies. Carlos Correa for the Astros. Marcus Semien for the A's. And Shane Bieber for the Indians. Potential Cy Young. Looks like we're going to get another blaster with no numbered card. Man, that's a bummer. Matt Chapman for the A's. Eloy Jimenez for the White Sox. We got a Byron Buxton red for the Twins. Matt Kemp for the Marlins. Victor Robles for the Nationals. And Mike Foltynewicz for the Braves. Rhys Hoskins for the Phillies. Mauricio Dubon, rookie for the Giants. Justin Dunn, rookie for the Mariners. And Tim Lincecum for the Giants. So yeah, we opened 10 of these blasters the other day, and I think we came away with 9 numbered cards. So that's a little bit of a bummer that we haven't pulled a numbered card yet out of the first 2 blasters. Hopefully we find something here in the next 3. Ryan Braun for the Brewers. Wilson Contreras for the Cubs. We got Fired Up, I think that's Aquino. Yep, that's Aristides Aquino for the Reds. Nice one for the Reds. Tony Gwynn for the Padres. Yamaguchi for the Blue Jays. And Tony Gonsolin for the Dodgers. Lourdes Gurriel Jr. for the Blue Jays. Garrett Cole for the Yankees. Sean Manaea for the A's. Ichiro for the Mariners. Brusdar Graterol for the Dodgers. And Miguel Cabrera for the Tigers. Come on, let's find a numbered card here. We want some color. Something other than red. Aaron Judge for the Yankees. Shohei Ohtani for the Angels. There's an Andrelton Simmons throw to first for the Angels. Another Fernando Tatis Jr. for the Padres. Tim Lincecum for the Giants. And Justin Dunn, rookie, for the Mariners. Jordan Zimmerman, Tigers. Dylan Cease for the White Sox. Got a red Garrett Cole for the Yankees. Kyle Freeland for the Rockies. John Means for the Orioles. And David Ortiz for the Red Sox. Nate Eovaldi for the Red Sox. There's Bo Bichette. Hadn't seen him yet. Nice one for the Blue Jays. We got flamethrowers insert Walker Buehler for the Dodgers. Another Ken Griffey Jr. for the Mariners. Sammy Sosa for the Cubs. And Jeff Bagwell for the Astros. Still looking for Gavin Lux. All right, we got Joey Gallo, the Rangers. Rios for the Dodgers. There's a numbered one, and it's a rookie. Nice hit for the Rays. Orange Brendan McKay. That is numbered 76 out of 299. Congrats to the Rays. Nice to find a numbered parallel finally, and a rookie at that. Carlos Correa for the Astros. Jordan Yamamoto for the Marlins. And Barry Zito again for the A's. Rhys Hoskins, Phillies. Mauricio Dubon for the Giants. We got a Ronald Acuna Jr. insert for the Braves. Single season high stolen bases of 37. Nice one for the Braves. Big Papi for the Red Sox. Another Tatis for the Padres. And Semien for the A's. All right, gold pack number 3. Let's see what we got. Kyle Schwarber for the Cubs. Aguilar for the Marlins. Yamaguchi for the Blue Jays. And Tony Gwynn for the Padres. Really want to find one of those big name rookies in the gold. Or in a different color that's not red. Which one are you? Oh yeah, I wasn't sure which one you're referring to, but yeah, all this stuff's getting passed over to Zach. Zach's top loading the hits, and we'll do a review at the end, a recap, so you guys can see all the hits from here if you got in here late. We got Byron Buxton for the Twins, Robbie Ray for the D-backs, Robinson Cano for the Mets, Brandon Crawford for the Giants, Corey Seager for the Dodgers, and Malik Smith for the Mariners. Carlos Carrasco for the Indians, Pete Alonso for the Mets. There's a Shohei Ohtani Power and Pride for the Angels. Lindor for the Indians, Max Muncy for the Dodgers, and Ronald Acuna Jr. for the Braves. Yeah, but he spells his with an H. Can you still trust him? Zach with an H. Ryan Braun for the Brewers. Contreras for the Cubs. There's a red Cobb for the Orioles. That one, see, that one slipped my mind. Alex Cobb for the Orioles. We got George Springer for the Astros. Quintana for the Cubs. And Greinke for the Astros. Said never mind. Lourdes Gurriel Jr. for the Blue Jays. Garrett Cole for the Yankees. There's an Aaron Judge insert. Throw to home for the Yankees. Tsutsugo for the Rays. Mariano Rivera for the Yankees. And Joe Mauer for the Twins. Sean Manaea for the A's. Oh, looks like we're going to get something else in here as well. Let's see. Oh, we hadn't had one in this blaster yet. This is blast number 4. We got Aaron Judge for the Yankees. Let's move this green to the back. We got Tony Gwynn for the Padres. Yamaguchi for the Blue Jays. Tony Gonsolin for the Dodgers. And the green, that's going to the Braves. Freddie Freeman, potential NL MVP this year. Nice hit for the Braves. 175 out of 199. Big name numbered card. Nice hit for the Braves. Shohei Ohtani for the Angels. Jordan Zimmerman for the Tigers. We got another fired up Aquino for the Reds. Ichiro for the Mariners. Brusdar Graterol for the Dodgers. And Miguel Cabrera for the Tigers. Dylan Cease for the White Sox. Nate Eovaldi for the Red Sox. We got a red Jose Altuve for the Astros. Another Fernando Tatis Jr. for the Padres, racking them up tonight. That's number 4. Tim Lincecum for the Giants. And Justin Dunn for the Mariners. Now we got Tucker for the Pirates. Fraley for the Mariners. Colton Wong for the Cardinals. And Eric Osmer for the Padres. Haven't hit any huge names in the gold packs tonight. Let's see if we can do it in this last box. See if we can find Gavin Lux in this last box. I think he's the only big name that we haven't hit yet. Castillo for the Reds. There's another Luis Robert for the White Sox. Flamethrowers, Aaron Nola insert for the Phillies. There's another Ronald Acuna Jr. for the Braves. George Springer for the Astros. And Jose Quintana for the Cubs. Tucker for the Pirates. Fraley for the Mariners. Looks like we got another color. Put it in the back. Zach Greinke for the Astros. Tsutsugo for the Mariners, or for the Rays. Sorry about that. Mariano Rivera for the Yankees. And our purple, that's going to the Mariners. Kikuchi. I was hoping for Kyle Lewis. Yusei Kikuchi, 55 out of 99. Purples are numbered out of 99. Nice hit for the Mariners. I saw that Mariners logo, was hoping it was going to be Kyle Lewis. But we'll have to settle for Yusei Kikuchi. Chris Paddock, Padres. Kevin Biggio for the Blue Jays. There's a Mike Trout. That's first MLB player to have 35 homers, 45 stolen bases, and 125 runs. Nice gold Mike Trout insert for the Angels. Joe Mauer for the Twins. Tony Gwynn for the Padres. And Yamaguchi for the Blue Jays. Gleyber Torres for the Yankees. Jacob deGrom for the Mets. Zach Wheeler. That's a red, right? Yeah. Sometimes the red and the pink look very similar. So Zach Wheeler for the Phillies. Tony Gonsolin for the Dodgers. Ichiro for the Mariners. Brusdar Graterol for the Dodgers. D. Gordon for the Mariners. Nick Ahmed for the Diamondbacks. Chris Sale, Smoke and Mirrors for the Red Sox. Miguel Cabrera for the Tigers. Another Fernando Tatis Jr. for the Padres. And Tim Lincecum for the Giants. Eugenio Suarez for the Reds. Jack Flaherty for the Cardinals. JT Realmuto for the Phillies. Another Justin Dunn for the Mariners. Freeland for the Rockies. And Barry Zito for the A's. Last regular pack of Fire. There's Freddie Freeman again for the Braves. Dallas Keuchel for the White Sox. We got another nice Ronald Acuna Jr. Power and Pride for the Braves. John Means for the Orioles. Big Papi for the Red Sox. And another Ken Griffey Jr. for the Mariners. Alright, let's find one big name card in these golds. Come on. Sandy Alcantara for the Marlins. Trey Mancini for the Orioles. There it is. First Gavin Lux of the night, and it's a gold one. Nice hit for the Dodgers. That's pretty cool. First Gavin Lux of the night. And then we had Nelson Cruz for the Twins. All right. Moving on to the Chrome. Alright, each of these Chrome packs is going to have 3 regular packs with 4 cards, and then bonus pink refractor cards, 3 cards in there. Let's see what we got. Good luck everybody on the Chrome. hopefully we find all the big name rookies again in here. Maybe find some color parallels. Maybe an autograph. We have pulled a Yordan Alvarez Blue Wave autograph out of these Cellos, so it is possible. Austin Nola for the Mariners. Joey Gallo for the Rangers. Clayton Kershaw for the Dodgers. And Prism Refractor Kevin Newman for the Pirates. Bobby Bradley, rookie for the Indians. Shin-Soo Choo for the Rangers. Brandon Crawford for the Giants. And Jesus Luzardo, 85 refractor for the A's. We were hitting big on Jesus Luzardo last week, or last break, which was on Monday. Continuing the trend tonight. Abraham Toro for the Astros. Rhys Hoskins for the Phillies. Lourdes Gurriel Jr. for the Blue Jays. And a Chris Archer refractor for the Pirates. Alright. Pink refractors. There we go. There's a nice one for the Yankees. Aaron Judge. Aaron Judge pink. Nice. John Means for the Orioles. And a Seth Brown rookie for the A's. JD Martinez for the Red Sox. Another Austin Nola for the Mariners. Nick Senzel for the Reds. And AJ Puck, 85 refractor for the A's. A's hitting on those 85 refractors. Joey Gallo, Rangers. Another Bobby Bradley for the Indians. Keston Hiura for the Brewers. And a Matt Chapman refractor for the A's. Archie Bradley, Diamondbacks. George Springer for the Astros. Liam Hendricks for the A's. And a freshman flash, Gavin Lux. Nice. Goes nicely with that gold Fire card that you got for Gavin Lux. Matt Olson for the A's. Nick Senzel for the Reds. And Keston Hiura for the Brewers. Mike Soroka for the Braves. Miguel Cabrera for the Tigers. Victor Reyes for the Tigers. Ooh, and a Bo Bichette freshman flash for the Blue Jays. Nice hit, Blue Jays. Javi Baez for the Cubs. Masahiro Tanaka for the Yankees. Paul DeJong for the Cardinals. And a Yordan Alvarez 85 refractor for the Astros. Now we're starting to hit those big name rookies. Let's keep it going. All inserts so far though. No base yet. Buster Posey, Giants. Christian Walker for the D-backs. Yo Moncada for the White Sox. And a Miguel Cabrera refractor for the Tigers. There's a Sean Murphy, rookie for the A's, pink. Michael Fulmer for the Tigers. And Charlie Blackmon for the Rockies. Rafael Devers for the Red Sox. Kyle Seager for the Mariners. Oh, this is the first negative that I have pulled in any packs. Charlie Blackmon negative refractor. These are tough to come by. We've opened a lot of chrome and we have not come across a negative yet. That's a nice hit for the Rockies. Very cool. First negative that we've pulled. And Adbert Alzolay, Prism Refractor for the Cubs. Nice to hit a big name player with that negative too, Charlie Blackmon. Freddie Freeman for the Braves. Nicky Lopez for the Royals. Isan Diaz for the Marlins. And 85 refractor, Austin Riley for the Braves. Paul Goldschmidt, Cardinals. Lucas Giolito for the White Sox. Harold Ramirez for the Marlins. And Christian Walker, refractor for the D-backs. Jake Rogers, rookie for the Tigers. Noah Syndergaard for the Mets. And Anthony Santander for the Orioles.
There's a 1 out of 87 chance to pull a negative.
87 packs? Or Albert Pujols, Angels. Oh, looks like we got a blue in here. AJ Puck, rookie for the A's. Let's put that in the back. Matt Olson for the A's, Prism Refractor. Alright, what do we got here? Manny Machado for the Padres. Numbered 138 out of 150. Nice hit for the Padres. Manny Machado. Got all those Fernando Tatis in the fire. Now you got a blue Manny Machado. Nice card. Tyler Glasnow for the Rays. Chris Bryant for the Cubs. Dan Vogelbach for the Mariners. And a Bo Bichette 85 refractor for the Blue Jays. Aaron Judge, Yankees. Corey Seager for the Dodgers. There's another Yordan. That's a base for the Astros. And Jonathan Villar, refractor for the Marlins. Tommy Edman, pink for the Cardinals. Anthony Santander for the Orioles. And Andres Munoz, rookie for the Padres. Nice cello pack for the Padres. Getting the pink Munoz and the blue Manny Machado. Randy Arozarena for the Cardinals. Kevin Newman, Pirates. There's Ronald Acuna Jr. for the Braves. Ooh, and a Bryce Harper Prism Refractor for the Phillies. Nice hit, Phillies. Matt Olson for the A's. Whit Merrifield for the Royals. There's our first die cut. Alex Rodriguez for the Rangers. And we got a Keston Hiura 85 refractor for the Brewers. Rafael Devers for the Red Sox. Freddie Freeman for the Braves. Orlando Arcia for the Brewers. And a Brock Burke, rookie for the Rangers, refractor. Chris Bryant, pink for the Cubs. Scott Kingery for the Phillies. And Mauricio Dubon, rookie for the Giants. Trey Mancini for the Orioles. Randy Arozarena for the Cardinals. Carlos Santana for the Indians. And a Jeff Samardzija refractor for the Giants. Kevin Newman for the Pirates. Matt Olson for the A's. Marcus Semien for the A's, and a Rafael Devers Prism Refractor for the Red Sox. Rafael Devers again for the Red Sox. Freddie Freeman for the Braves. Xander Bogaerts for the Red Sox. And a nice Mike Trout 85 refractor for the Angels. Nick Solak, pink for the Rangers. Joey Votto for the Reds. And Lorenzo Cain for the Brewers. Jorge Soler for the Royals. Ramon Laureano for the A's. Patrick Corbin for the Nationals. And a freshman flash, Sheldon Noose for the A's. Eugenio Suarez for the Reds. Albert Pujols for the Angels. Anthony Kay for the Blue Jays. And a Christian Yelich 85 refractor for the Brewers. Tyler Glasnow for the Rays. Chris Bryant for the Cubs. Trey Turner for the Nationals. And a Brandon Lowe refractor for the Rays. Brian Reynolds pink for the Pirates. Nick Senzel for the Reds. And a Keston Hiura for the Brewers. Haven't hit a ton of big names on the pink. Hopefully we have better luck with these last 2 packs. We did hit the Aaron Judge, which was a pretty nice one. But the pinks have been pretty quiet overall. Definitely hoping for some better luck on these last 2. Matt Thaiss, rookie for the Angels. Gene Segura for the Phillies. Ketel Marte for the Diamondbacks. And a Walker Buehler Prism Refractor for the Dodgers. Nice hit for the Dodgers. Logan Webb, rookie for the Giants. Another Walker Buehler for the Dodgers. There's a die cut of Willie Mays for the Giants. And there's a Ronald Acuna Jr. 85 refractor for the Braves. Nice hit for the Braves. Having a nice night with Ronald Acuna Jr. There's another Fernando Tatis for the Padres. Aaron Savale, rookie for the Indians. Shohei Ohtani for the Angels. And a Robel Garcia, rookie refractor for the Cubs. Max Muncy for the Dodgers. There's a nice one. Mike Trout, pink refractor for the Angels. Definitely the best pink we've had tonight. Hard to beat a Mike Trout. And Nolan Arenado for the Rockies. Still have yet to see Luis Robert in chrome. Still haven't seen Kyle Lewis in chrome. We hit Bichette, we hit Lux, we hit Alvarez. Haven't seen Aquino yet. Haven't seen Grisham. Maybe we see him in these last few packs here. Good luck to everybody in the last cello. We'll do a recap here at the end once we get through these. Jose Urquidy, rookie for the Astros. Elvis Andrus for the Rangers. Jose Urena for the Marlins. And another Ronald Acuna Jr. 85 refractor for the Braves. David Peralta, Diamondbacks. Tommy Edman for the Cardinals. There's a Nico Horner, rookie for the Cubs. It's a nice one. And Rogelio Armenteros, refractor for the Astros. Tim Anderson for the White Sox. Danny Jansen for the Blue Jays. Jose Ramirez for the Indians. There's Kyle Lewis, freshman flash. Nice hit for the Mariners. Can we find Luis Robert in this last pack? Eugenio Suarez for the Reds. Albert Pujols for the Angels. And Christian Yelich for the Brewers. All right, let's go ahead and do a little recap for you guys. Is it Walmart? is. It doesn't even work. Doesn't work. Bear with me 1 second, just getting all this stuff organized. All right, here we go. All right. For the Reds tonight, I've got you a few Aquinos here. We got the base fire, and then we got a couple gold fired up inserts. Nice night for the Reds. And let's see. Nationals, we got you that nice Juan Soto Power and Pride insert. Only found Trent Grisham once tonight for the Padres in the fire. It's a nice one there for the Padres. Let's see, some other big names. Ronald Acuna. Nice night for Ronald Acuna. We hit a couple gold inserts there in the blasters. And then a couple 85 refractors. I think we hit a base chrome on him as well. Let's see. Nice night for Mike Trout. We got that gold insert there. 85 refractor in the chrome. And then, of course, the pink that we just saw not too long ago. So nice night for the Angels and Mike Trout. What else? Yankees, we got you that pink Aaron Judge. It's a nice hit there. Other big name rookies, Yordan Alvarez, nice night, hit the base fire, the base tops chrome, and the 85 refractor. Good night for Yordan. Kyle Lewis for the Mariners. We hit one in each product, the tops fire base, and then we hit the freshman flash insert in chrome. Luis Robert, unfortunately, we could not find anything in chrome tonight, but we did get 2 base cards for Luis Robert. Gavin Lux, a couple nice ones here. Freshman flash, Gavin Lux, plus the gold that we hit in that last box. So pretty nice night there for the Dodgers and Gavin Lux. And then Bo Bichette, we had the base fire, we had the freshman flash, and then we had the 85 refractor. And then a couple other nice parallels that we had tonight. We had the Brendan McKay orange. That was numbered out of 299. We had the Freddie Freeman green, which was numbered out of 199. Yusei Kikuchi purple, numbered out of 99. We hit that Bryce Harper prism refractor for the Phillies. A blue Manny Machado for the Padres, and that was numbered out of 150. And then we hit that negative refractor Charlie Blackmon for the Rockies. The negative refractors are not numbered, but they are pretty tough to come by. So that's a really nice hit there for the Rockies. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it tonight. We've got a lot more Topps Chrome that we're going to be going through. We do have some other fire that we're going to be getting through. We actually probably have more fire than we need. If anybody's interested, we are we'll post our Facebook link here for you guys. We currently have an ad up on our Facebook group. We are downsizing our Topps Fire inventory so that we can make room for some more football that we're doing. So we're just selling it at cost. Not looking to make any money on those. Just selling the Topps Fire blasters at cost. If anybody's interested in picking up a few of those without having to beat the crowd at Target, go ahead and click the Facebook link, join our group, and check out the ad that we have. We're selling them in lots of 5. So it's I think it comes out to $21 a box. Plus shipping and fees, PayPal fees. So check that out. Not interested in that, feel free to still check out our Facebook group. We post all of our upcoming breaks. We'll have a lot more baseball coming up. If you guys are basketball and football fans, we got plenty of basketball and football coming up as well. Appreciate you guys getting in, filling up the break, and getting paid on time. Definitely makes things easier. Thank you guys again, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time.